Good afternoon, good afternoon. This is Marie Holiday, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. It is Sunday, February the 7th, 2021, Super Bowl weekend. And before we get started, I just want to remind all of my viewers to please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button to support my channel. And with that being said, let's get down to today's very important lecture. This is going to be the Tights Benefits of Having Your Own Small Business Part 3. The Tights Benefits of Having Your Own Small Business Part 3. Please check out my two other prior video uploads on the Tights Benefits of Having Your Own Small Business Part 1 and 2. Please check out that valuable information. And I'm going to present to the audience 6 phenomenal benefits of having your own small business. And before I get started with those 6 benefits, I just want to let everyone know it's always good to hire a certified public accountant to do your taxes. You know, I've had my own small business for about 18 or 19 years now. And one of the things I do is I always set my files up, get everything organized, and turn all my documents in to file my taxes. I started my small business about 18 or 19 years ago because, as the audience is aware, I do have a licensed clinical addiction specialist credential. And what I did to monopolize on my credential, I started a small business providing services in terms of substance abuse assessments, consultation. You know, I also do other little things under my business. For 2020, I made a nice little chunk of money selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace. My YouTube channel, once it monetizes, it's another something else I'm doing under my business. You know, as I head towards retirement, I'm just trying to tap into my other skills to be able to make money other than just being able to make money based off my credential. So, you know, use your talents, use your skills, you know, or your passion to start a business. It ain't got to be nothing big and fabulous. You know, I have a home office in my home, or I've always done that. And there are just a lot of benefits to being able to itemize. So with that being said, I'm going to present some benefits of having your own small or your own small business. Number one benefit, because I do have a home office, there are so many benefits, itemized benefits by having a home office, a dedicated area in your home where you store your files, where you conduct your business or whatever. One of the benefits is, by having a home office, is your mortgage interest that you pay. When they send that 1098 out every year, a percentage of that mortgage interest can be written off as a business expense because you do have a home office, and that's very important to know. And number 2, a benefit of having a home office, or especially if you got a professional credential or professional skill, when you go out and do professional development, when you're spending money to go to training to learn more about your business or to develop yourself, all of that money you spend on professional development can be written off as a business expense. You know, rather you're getting books to self-educate yourself, going to training, anything you do to professionally develop you, that money you spend on the books or the training can be written off as a Tights expense. You know, because I take a lot of extra training in terms of learning about money management, learning about substance abuse. And when I'm taking this training of buying these books and to educate myself, keep those receipts, because that all ties into professional development, which is a business expense. And I'm here to tell you. Number 3 benefit, especially if you have a home office. You know, once a year, you know, I got a contract where I pay an exterminator to come out once a year to exterminate my house, to check for anything in terms of issues. And I just do that just to maintain the value of my home. So the money I pay for that, in terms of, sometimes they just come out and check, everything's fine, but I have to pay for those services. So any type of money you pay for in terms of exterminations or preventive measures, that's the word I was looking for, preventive measures. You ain't got to have problems where you need an exterminator to come out. I have them to come out in my home once a year also for prevention measures. So the money I pay for that, because I do have a home office, is a business expense write-off. Number 4, vehicle registration, the emission tag every year when I do that, because I do have my own small business, and the money I spend for vehicle registration and the emission tag can be written off. It could be written off as a business expense, because a lot of times, I have to use my own personal vehicle to go meet with stakeholders, to go to meetings applicable to my own business. Number 5, any money you pay in terms of contractors coming out to deal with plumbing issues or electrical issues, anything going on in your home, because you do have a home office, can also be written off as a business expense. Because any money you're spending to maintain your home, aka home office, that office ties into your business, can be written off as a business expense, as long as you got a dedicated space in your home where you're utilizing as an office. And number 6, which applies to anybody, you don't have to have a home office. Any money you donate or any donations you do throughout the year can be written off as an expense. I make a deliberate decision to donate 2 or 3 times out of the year. Always gathering clothes that I don't need, clothes, shoes, furniture. I'm downsizing anyway. So as I'm donating, clothes, shoes, jewelry, or anything, you can get a receipt when you go to Salvation Army in terms of your donations. So those are some powerful expenses in terms of how you can itemize throughout the year. And again, it's just phenomenal benefits by having your own small business. Use your talents, use your skills to start your own little business. It ain't got to be anything big and fabulous, but still keep your traditional day job, because all you're doing when you start on a small business is you're diversifying your income. The more diversified you are, the more financially empowered you can be. But I always tell somebody, keep it small, keep it simple. Sometimes small is big. Some years I may make generate a little bit more profit from my business than the other years, but it don't matter if I how much or how little I make from my little small business. It's my business that I developed, that I created using my credentials or my talents or my skills or my passion to make my money, to diversify me more financially. And we all have talents, skills, and abilities to bring to the table, and I'm here to tell you. So with that being said, that's all I have. I hope you all got something out of this in terms of the types benefits of owning your own small business. Check out my upload 1 and 2 on this, and don't forget to please hit that subscribe button. My channel is nothing without my supporters. These are a lot of formative, thought-provoking information that I'm presenting to the world. I'm here to tell you, because in this problem-focused world that we live in, we need as much positive and informative information that we can get to provoke our thinking, because there's enough negativity out there. I'm here to tell you. So when you can come across something that's informative, that's positive, that provoke your thinking, this is useful information you can use for yourself or pass it on to somebody else, because it's about being empowered and uplifting in any way that you can. Rather you're gaining information from anybody YouTube video upload, or if you're in a conversation with somebody over the phone or in person, if it's not positive, motivating, and uplifting, I just move on. I'm here to tell you. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and simplify. I will see you all again next time. Have a great afternoon.